To my channel English Grammar Salam. My dear viewers, today I have come to the lap of nature which is too much common among the people of Bangladesh. You know it very well. It is called the river Padda, which is devastating during the rainy season. Today it is a very nice day because there is no rain in the sky and some people have come here to enjoy the natural beauty of this area, and I have also come here to get a video especially for my channel, and my main objective is to highlight the real beauty and the real atmosphere of the tea embankment here. And today we have come here only to inform my viewers so that they can know about the real picture of the tea embankment of Rajshahi, which is famous and very much popular among the people of Rajshahi and among the people of those who come here from the other district to enjoy the natural beauty of the bank of the river Padda. Especially during the rainy season, it creates the devastating atmosphere here, and now you can easily understand watching the waves and the strong current of the river Padda, which has created a special atmosphere. Though in the rainy season it seems it is very much dull and inactive, but during the rainy season it is very much strong, attractive and devastating also for the people who come here. They enjoy the real natural beauty of this bank of the river. So this atmosphere will highlight the real picture of the bank of the river of Bangladesh. So my dear viewers, please follow my videos, and just we are going to the next. Viewers, it is the loveliest place and the most attractive place of this area, which creates the special atmosphere. Now it is very much attractive, especially for the visitors who have come here to enjoy the real beauty. Now you can easily understand the strong waves of the aggressive river Padda, and normally the situation is now very much enjoyable, and all kind of people have come here from far and near only to enjoy the natural beauty. I have told you that the river has created a special atmosphere. Sometimes some singers and some poets and some dramatists create their writing locating and using the settings of the river, and the Padda is one of the best and the most aggressive river of our country Bangladesh. Especially the people who live beside the river Padda, their lifestyle depend on the Padda, and many people lead their life using the river Padda by maintaining different kind of activities here. So now I can recite one single line of our great sings, that is O nodi re একটি কথা শোধায় শুধু তোমারে, বলো কোথায় তোমার দেশ, তোমার নেই কি চলার শেষ, ও নদী রে. Now you can easily understand that our great singers also has sung a lot of songs which has created the permanent impression in the heart of the people. So now you can easily understand what kind of plays that has been played by the rivers, and as the Padda is the heart of the people of Rajshahi, and the people of Rajshahi love it too much, and it has created a special atmosphere among the heart of the people. So we are going to the next. Viewers, now you can easily understand the real devastating picture of the river Padda. What a tremendous waves of this Padda which has created by it really. You know it very well. The people living beside the Padda depend on the Padda most of the time because they earn their livings depending on the river Padda. During the rainy season they catch fish. During the dry season the farmers of this area work beside the river, and they grow different kind of crops which are very very important for the life of the people. You will be puzzled to know that when it is the dry season, the vast beach of the river Podda creates a special land and which is very much fertile, and the people who live beside the Podda, they grow different kind of vegetables which are very much useful and important. They grow it, they use it by themselves, and they sell it to the market, which we the people buy and fulfill the demand of our daily necessaries. So now you can easily understand that it is really important, and the river Podda plays the most and vital role in the life of the people here. So now you will see the wonderful atmosphere of the river Podda. They people who come here, they enjoy the real beauty of the river Podda. Though sometimes it creates the devastating situation, but most of the time it is calm and quiet, especially during the winter season and during the dry season. The river Podda seems calm and it is really enjoyable then. But now, though it seems devastating and the terrible waves has created the special atmosphere, it is a kind of threat to those people who cross the river, especially for their life and business on the other side of the Podda. But actually, it is helpful for them also. You will be puzzled to know one thing, that our great poet Wordsworth, once told his sister Dorothy that, Dorothy, don't lose heart. Look through the nature. Nature is wonderful creation of God. Nature never betray people. People may betray you. So it is not necessary to be puzzled or to lose heart watching the activities of the people. You should look through the real beauty of the nature, and nature can cool you. Nature can create a special atmosphere in the heart of you. Nature can heal all the problems of your life. So I would like to request you, just be calm and quiet, and just be simple and love the nature. So my dear viewers, I also will request you that you will follow the nature when you will be puzzled to think about the normal activities of your life. Some mishap may come to you, but I should tell you that don't lose the heart. Look through the nature. The nature will heal all the sufferings and pangs of your life, and nature will help you to lead a nice life and simple life, which will be very much important for all you. Suppose I am standing under this huge tree. This tree is not only for the benefits of the nature, it gives us a lot of benefits because now I am standing here enjoying the cool atmosphere here. The greenish leaves of these trees has created a special atmosphere for the people and the visitors who come here only to enjoy the real beauty of nature. And most of the time, when it is the afternoon season, people come here to enjoy the most charming sight. If you come here at the time of the evening, at the time of the sunset, you will be puzzled to see the real beauty of nature here. So now you can easily understand that this kind of river in our country play a vital role in the life of the common people of our country, because Bangladesh is a riverine country, and river plays the most vital role in the life of people. So now we are going to the next. Viewers, I have told you about the fishermen who live by the riverside, and they maintain their livelihood by fishing on the river. Now you can see that these are called the fishing net. These are called the fishing net. The fishermen use this net to catch fishes in the river Podda, and the fishes of the Podda are very tasty and different, especially they are useful and beneficial for the people's health also. So the fish in the pond and the fish in the river are too much different, and most of the time the people of this city like to buy the fishes come from this river. So the fishermen who live beside the river, they enjoy these kind of nets, and they use on in the river water and catch fishes, which is very much important. So now you can easily understand that the people's life, I mean the life of the fishermen are not so easy. They are enjoying their life, but that is too much challenging, and they feel a lot of difficulties during the rainy season. And when it rains all the time, they can't stay for a long time without doing anything. In the rainy season, they work hard, they go into the river in the stormy weather, and they catch fish and sell them in the market and lead their life in this way. So, my dear viewers, the fishermen are the part of our nation. They play a vital role to supply us with protein, which is very much important. So, thank you. My dear viewers, now I am standing under the banyan tree. It's very nice to look at because it is small, but it creates a special atmosphere in the heart of us. When you will feel disappointed in your way of life, come to the nature, especially just sit under the tree and enjoy the real atmosphere. Then everything will be nice to you. Your mentality will be cool, and you will feel the real beauty of nature. And you know, nature creates a special atmosphere, such as this little banyan tree is very green and sweet, and many people come here to enjoy this beauty. You will be puzzled to think that one day this tree will be too much high rise, and it will create a lot of facilities for the people. You know that though banyan trees are huge in shape, their fruits are very small and little, and many birds eat these fruits, and they live their life very easily and safely. And when our visitors and some persons come under the banyan tree, they take rest and they feel the cooling system of their heart, and they become fresh again. So, my dear viewers, when you will feel disappointed and you will feel the pangs and agony of your mind, come to the nature. Nature will help you to be fresh, and nature will help you to be energetic also. So, thank you. Dear viewers, now you can watch the boats and the machine boats here. Speedboat, we call it speedboat, and the normal boats also. Our border guard security use these boats to roam here and there to watch the activities of the people who come from the other side of this river, and sometimes many people go from here to the other parts of the river. You know it very well that India has a great border on the other side of our river, and you know sometimes the people of India come here through this river. So how they come, why they come, our border guard securities watch these activities, and they follow all the people who come from the other parts of the river. So these boats play important role, and these boats help them to perform their duties and activities very nicely and carefully. So you can easily understand another thing, that is when some officers come here regarding that boats and regarding their activities, they also enjoy the boat flying on the river. When you will go across the river by a boat or by launch or with a speedboat, you will enjoy a real natural feelings, and you will be charmed watching the activities of these boats. So, my dear viewers, now you can easily understand that some people come here to enjoy the boating here. They enjoy the boating with some friends or relatives, and they enjoy the real atmosphere of the river. You know it very well that now most of the people do not come to the river to enjoy the boat race or flying on the river by boat. But when some curious boys and girls come here, they like to enjoy the journey by boat here, and they can easily hire these kinds of boats with little money and enjoy the real atmosphere of this river. So I would like to request all of you to watch the videos from the very beginning to the end, and you will enjoy the real beauty of tea embankment of Rajshahi. So my dear viewers, please follow my videos from the beginning to the end and like it, share it and subscribe it to your friends so that they can know the real atmosphere of the river Padma and the real picture of tea embankment in Rajshahi. So thank you all.